What if your own government could control your mind without you ever knowing it happened? In 1953, the CIA launched the most terrifying secret program in American history. It was called MK. For over 20 years, the CIA secretly experimented on thousands of innocent people without their knowledge or consent. Their goal was simple but chilling: find a way to completely control the human mind, and they were willing to do anything to succeed. This is the story they tried to burn, bury, and erase forever. But the truth survived. It began with fear. The Cold War was raging. America believed its enemies had discovered how to control human mind. American intelligence feared falling behind, so they approved a program that crossed every moral and legal boundary imaginable. With a single signature from the highest level of authority, a secret program unlike anything in history was set into motion. Their primary weapon was LSD, a powerful mind-altering substance. They believed it could unlock the secrets of the human mind.
Subjects were given substances without any warning. Then scientists watched and recorded everything that happened next.
Hospitals, universities, and prisons became secret laboratories. Patients trusted their doctors and were betrayed.
Over 80 institutions participated, including top universities. Students and patients were used as
sleep deprivation, sensory isolation, psychological pressure. They pushed human minds to the absolute breaking point.
They played recorded messages on loop for days, trying to reprogram thoughts, beliefs, and behavior like rewriting a computer. The CIA set up secret safe houses across America, where unsuspecting people were monitored around the clock without ever knowing. They even drugged their own CIA agents to study the effects of losing control over your own mind. One government scientist who learned too much about the program was secretly given a substance without his knowledge. Days later, he was gone. His family was told it was suicide. 50 years later, they discovered the truth. It was no accident. When the program was finally shut down, the order came from the very top: remove all records immediately. They believed every trace was gone, but they made one mistake. 20,000 documents were misfiled in a financial records building and survived. In 1977, the U.S. Senate held a public hearing. For the first time, the government was forced to admit that when the news reached the public, the reaction was one of complete disbelief. People could not understand how something like this had been allowed to happen. Survivors came forward. Families of victims demanded justice. Some received small settlements, but no one ever went to prison.
Even today, hundreds of MKUltra documents remain classified. The full truth has never been revealed to the public.
What else remains hidden in government vaults? What experiments continued after MKUltra officially ended in 1973? MKUltra wasn't limited to America. The program operated secretly across Europe, Canada, and beyond. Across the border in Canada, a respected medical professional was quietly receiving secret funding to conduct unauthorized experiments. Survivors carried invisible wounds for the rest of their lives. Memory loss, anxiety, broken relationships, the damage. Scientists today confirm the methods used in MKUltra caused permanent neurological damage. The human brain is not meant to.
Decades later, this program is now studied in universities around the world as one of history's most important lessons about the limits of government power.
50 years later, movies, documentaries, and investigations keep uncovering new layers of this extraordinary dark chapter. Citizens and lawyers continue fighting to this day, demanding the release of every remaining classified MKUltra document. They tried to control the mind. They tried to erase the evidence, but they could never extinguish the truth. The real victims were ordinary people. They deserve protection. They deserve truth. They deserve justice.
MKUltra forced America to rewrite its research ethics laws completely. No experiment on humans can ever be conducted without. Today, ethical guidelines protect every research subject worldwide. MKUltra's dark legacy ironically made science more.
Every night, millions sleep unaware of how close history came to a world where governments could rewrite human thought itself. The greatest weapon against government abuse is not anger, it is knowledge. Stay informed, stay aware, stay. MKUltra lasted 20 years, its victims numbered in the thousands, and its lessons must never be forgotten by any. They tried to own the mind, but the mind and the truth can never truly be controlled. Remember that.